after that. So let's start. Work together. As usual, we need to use the portal.good morning. As usual, we need to use the portal.azure.com. Every day we need to come in here and we need to do something. So what we want to do, we want to make or we want to create some Azure storage account. So for that one, I'm in my default window. This is the basic window. When you log in into the portal.azure.com, you can see this window. Now, I have to find something free service. So that service, let me check. I write down in here free services. Because we are using the free, so for this reason, I write down free service. Under the free services, we can see lots of things are available. That things free you can use for a few minutes or few hours. So you can see there is a, we want to create storage. There is one storage, Azure Blob storage. Another one is Azure File storage. Blob storage means that one will be give you the 5 GB. 5 GB blob means you can upload in there your video file, audio file, image file, like that one. Azure File storage, that one, same thing. They will give you the 100 GB. And in here, you can upload any types of files. Files means text file, Word file, image file, like that one. No video files. You cannot upload in here in the Azure File storage. So that's the basic difference. You can upload like that things. Most of the cases in the file, we are saving our documents. And in the blob, we wanna save some video, some movie, some large volume files in there. Now let's create first. Today we wanna do the Azure File storage. Later we'll do the blob. Day by day we'll do lots of things. So I write down in here free services. After then under the free services, I can say Azure Files will be showing in here. In that place, let's start with creating new. So click into the create. I click into the create button. Then by default, this window will become, in that window, you can see subscription will be, default subscription will be showing in here. So you don't need to create or you don't need to select it from in here. So automatically it will be showing. And we can see resource group is showing this one. So we are not touching that resource group because this resource group is working for my network security purposes. So I want to create new resource group. So I click into the create. You can write down any name. Let's write down storage SSA, storage account. Click into the OK. Then you can see storage account, that storage will be showing in there. Now write down your storage account name. Any type of name you can use in here. So let's write down storage, write down A account 1. Okay, they said use the lowercase, sorry. I write down uppercase. Storage account 1 is already taken. Okay, that name always be unique. We can see is account 1 is already used in someone, so we cannot use. Let me use, let's change it. I check lots of things all over the network. They check is that name is unique or not. Now I can see this name is unique. So I'm gonna use this name, City College 1. Okay, you can choose any name and must be checked that one is unique or not. Okay, by default, I can see these few things are available. Performance is standard and locally that one will be showing. So sometimes you can see that one is not showing these two things. You need to select these two things by default one. Now click into the next. We are using the free services. For this reason, there is no more things are available. But if you are not using the free services, if you want to use the storage account, then you can see lots of things will be showing. So if you want in the tag option, you can write down something, or if you don't want, no need to write down. Let's click into the review plus create. Now they said everything is good to go. Now let's click into the create button. So when the deployment will be finished, deployment means it's installation finish. Normal sense, we can say that's the installation. But deployment means you already did in your cloud system. Wait a couple of minutes in here. Okay, now I can see my deployment is completed. That means I create one storage in our Azure portal. Now go to the resources. So when you click into the go to resources, then you can come back in this page. In this page, we can see some information will be showing in the left side, left band. So let's check one thing. Click into the data storage. And we can see there will be file shares will be available. So under the file share, I click in there, then we can see some message will become come. So that one is no file is shared right now. So if anything is shared, then you can see that one will be available in here. Now I am to upload one file. Let's click into the plus file share. When I click into the plus file share, I need to set up name what type of file that one, what things you want to share it. Write down anything, whatever you want. Let's write down in here city. It's not mandatory thing you need to write down city, you can write anything. There is access tag, no need to change anything. There are lots of types will be available. By default, transaction optimized, that one is selected. I can see now they changed the capacity size. Previously, I saw there was only 1000 IO per second. That one will be upload and capacity was 5 terabyte. Now I can see that one is 100 terabyte. They give us option. Oh my God. Okay, they change it. They are updating every day. Okay. Just write down the name. No need to change anything in here. Now click into the review plus create and wait a couple of minutes in here. Now I can see validation passed is showing good. Now click into the create. Now under the storage, we make one file. You can say this is the drive. That means you have disk. Under the disk, you have a drive. This is the drive. Now we can upload any file in that disk. Sorry, in that drive. So let's click into the upload. I am to upload some file. Click in there. Now you can drag and drop any files or click into the browse. Let's click into the browse and I am upload in here the important link. Any file you can upload it, doc file, text file, or anything. If the file is already exist, then you need to use that one override if file already exists. This is the first time and upload my file. So click into the, no need to check mark that one. Click into the upload. Now I can see successfully uploaded. That means file is now uploaded in my that specific location. Now let's close it. Where is my file? I cannot see. Let's click into the browse. When you click into the browse, now you can see you upload one file. That's the file. What is the benefit of this one? Like in your Google Drive, you upload some file. And that file you want to give access to other people and they can use that one. Let's try to use, let's try, I'm not sure that one will work or not. Let's try to use from our local computer. Not from our local computer, I want to use one virtual computer for this one. So give me 1 second. I need to turn on one operating system in my computer, that virtual computer. And I'm gonna share my screen. Give me 1 second. So that means this file I need to try to use. That's it for today's lab. But I have to do more things. Who can access this file? I did not try it. Let's try one more time. So for that one, give me 1 second. Let's turn on one virtual machine. Virtual machine. I have to use this virtual machine. That virtual machine, I did not turn on it. Let's turn on it. That part I am to do in the virtual machine. That means we can easily access our that particular thing from our virtual machine. Let's try to use that one. Hopefully we can access. Please wait a couple of seconds, please. Server is running now. Okay, I turn on one operating system, and in that operating system, this is the server, Windows Server 2025. And I want to run that service in this server. So for that one, first I need one operating system. I select that one. Now I need to do one more thing. That one is go to the Azure portal again, and we need to share some doc from in there. So in here, this is the file. Now let's click into the connect. I click into the connect and I have to use the Windows. So for this reason, I select the Windows. When I click into the connect, by default, you can see the Windows will be showing. And let's use in here show script. There will be some PowerShell command will be showing. This is the PowerShell command. Let's copy all the things. I can see copy in here. I copy all the things from in there and do this one in our PowerShell in our operating system. So let's move into our OS. OS means in virtual machine. So let's move into there. Go to the search, write down PowerShell. I write down PowerShell. I open it as run as administrator. And I copy that command from the Cloud Shell from our Azure portal. Let's paste in here. Paste anyway. Only one line. Okay, now they are trying to connect. Let's wait what will happen. But it's not only one line. Let me check. They're testing connecting, wait for response from the Azure portal. That one is responding. I can say failed. Okay, something is not working. Let me check. Connect result test connect computer city college file .NET port 44 warning TCP port. This one failed. Oh no, ping failed. Status destination unreachable. Okay, that one is not working. Give me 1 second. Let me do one more thing. That one is called. Give me 1 second. Okay, and write down one more command fast. Let's give that permission. After then, let's use this one. Set the password for drive will persist reboot. Let's go online. Let me ping that IP address. One more time, I'm gonna try it. I cannot say this is the IP address. The destination is unreachable. Why destination unreachable? Mm, okay, that one is storage account, drive letter Z. Okay, to connect the Azure file share windows, choose the following authentication method. Run the PowerShell command to the normal, not evaluated PowerShell terminal. Okay, let's one more time. I wanna do in the normal PowerShell. So not not in here. Let me one more time write down the PowerShell, not admin mode, user mode. Let me check it. Paste it. Yes, paste anyway. They're trying to connecting to this computer to the server. Server means Azure portal. Okay, it's not working. So if that one is working, then we can see the file you can access from any other computer. So they give me message, maybe it's not working. Okay, let me check what is the error. Why we can see that error. Just I'm gonna check it. Our class is over. Over means we already finished that lab. We need to check our file is uploaded or not. And we have to do more things, but that one is not working. Let me check it why it's not working. If I can get any solution, then you can practice that part. If we cannot get that solution, ignore that part. So we can see this is the false. So that one is not working. Let me do another command, enable it. Everything is okay. Now I enable it. And now let me try to use that command. Okay, again I am a copy. Where is the command? Okay, it's not working. So ignore that part. I'll try at my home. I try lots of time. It's not working properly. Sometimes it's work, sometimes it's not work. So you can try it. If you can fix it, then that one will be awesome. Please let me know. Then we can try it in the class again. So that's it for today's class. So our main goal was we need to create one file storage, and after then we can upload some file in there. And if you want to connect this file, you can use these few commands in your portal, in your any operating system. After then you can easily share this file, or you can share this file. For that one you need to use the DDS, you need to DNS, you need to create user. After then you can give the permission to any user, they can use that file. And if you want, you can upload more files in here. If you want, you can delete or create, you can upload more files in here. You can upload direct folder also be in here. So that one is called the directory. So that's it for today's class. I will share this recording after the class. So now anyone has any question?